With February approaching, I just something came to mind when I was looking at Simpro Maintenance Planner, and it's something that I've reminded a couple of clients about recently when they're setting up their assets in Simpro with their service dates in relation to service start dates. So at the bottom of this site here, I've got my emergency lights set up for my monthly functional testing. And I've put a service date in intentionally of the 31st of January. Now, something to bear in mind is that if I've got the 31st of January in, what the maintenance planner does is it's going to increment that date by a month. However, the logic that's written into the system as of today in January 2025, it might change in the future, is that it will basically look for the 31st of January, 31st of January, and it will look at that date and it will look to see if it's got a 31st of February. Obviously, there isn't a 31st of February. So let me show you why that might be a problem. Well, not might, is. So if we go over to the maintenance planner and run the maintenance planner, and we're going to run it for, I'm going to put today, but I'm going to change it to the 31st. In fact, we're going to go this month, and we're going to go, the site is 43 Hodge Lane House, and we only want to see emergency lights, and I only want to see my monthlies. So if we just set those up, we can see here, that's fine. We've got our monthlies due on the 31st of the month there. And obviously I can go and create the jobs, but whether you know, I don't know whether you know this or not, but regardless of whether or not you create those jobs, they're there for the rest of the year, right? So if I was to go, well, show me the whole year. I want to see the whole year for 43 Hodge Lane House. We've got 110 results. So it's giving me those all throughout the year. However, can you see here what it's done? It has gone 31st of the 1st, 2025. I'm going to go and try and find that date inside the next month. The next month is February, but it can't find that date. So the last date is the 28th. You've got the 29th, the 30th, the 31st. It's no coincidence that it's created it on the 3rd of March for the next service visit after January. So effectively, we've missed a month, right? Now, for this reason, if you're going to set Maintenance Planner up, just move to a model where you just set up the first date of the month. That's probably the easiest thing to do. 01/01 2025, 01/04 2025, and so on and so forth. Then you know you will never skip a month. Obviously, if clients have specific dates, then that's fine. If you have to record that somewhere, you could record that in a custom field in the asset. If you still wanted to use the dates, just make sure that you never go beyond the 27th. Yeah, because every single month of the year has 27 days in it, because we have to account for a leap year, because sometimes we have the 27 days. Or is it 29? Anyway, 28 or 27 days is probably the golden rule to go by. So I just thought I'd put that out there for anyone maybe currently setting up their maintenance planner and trying to decide, just as a little pre-warning so that you don't fall into that particular pitfall.